We are diving into the exciting world of trending fruits. Join us as we explore the top 3 fruits that are making waves and tantalizing taste buds everywhere. Number 3. Golden berries. Nature's sweet and tangy delight. This small, vibrant fruit boasts a unique combination of sweetness and tanginess, making it a delightful treat for your taste buds. Packed with antioxidants and vitamins, golden berries are perfect for snacking, adding a pop of flavor to salads, or even incorporating them into baked goods for a tangy twist. Number 2. Persimmons. The seasonal sensation. These orange gems are known for their sweet and honey-like flavor. With their smooth texture and rich taste, persimmons are a delightful addition to fruit salads, smoothies, or enjoyed simply on their own. Number 1. Mamey Sapote. The tropical treasure. Known for its creamy texture and sweet, custard-like flavor, this large fruit, with its reddish-brown exterior, hides a delectable orange flesh that is perfect for creating smoothies, ice creams, and even delicious baked goods. Golden berries, persimmons, and Mamey Sapote. These fruits not only offer unique flavors, but also provide a range of nutritional benefits. Have you tried any of these trending fruits before? Did you like it? Let us know in the comments below.